Welcome to Navitasefficens, your smart energy partner. In previous video, we have seen Part 1, 25 feet by 50 feet shade structure. To watch Part 1, click on the link given in the description box. In this video, we will see Part 2 in detail. That is, solar rooftop installation. This site had few challenges. 1. 5-story high building for mounting 17 kilowatt solar panels. 2. Due to transparent sheets, arrangement of solar panels and walkway was challenging. To overcome these challenges, we designed a 3D digital model with shadow analysis to work on the accuracy. A detachable ladder is provided for maintenance purpose. Actual installation. Solar structure was done as per shadow analysis and simulation report. Work process. Each project is designed by studying the roof area available and other site conditions. It requires structural designing expertise, efficient execution skills, and other technical know-how. So, if you want to install such a solar system with raised structure, ask us now. We will tell you how. Thank you.